So how to get microblading or permanent makeup license in New York City? Hit subscribe so you won't miss any new information on our channel. Microblading is a form of tattooing, and that's why in New York City tattoo license is needed to perform microblading or permanent makeup. Tattoo license in New York City is issued only by Department of Health and Mental Hygiene. What to do first? The first and the most difficult part you need is to complete a 3-hour infection control course and an infection control examination conducted by the Department of Health and Mental Hygiene's Health Academy. The difficulty is not in the material, because you can be prepared using manual, I will attach link below, but because you have to take this course only in person in Health Academy, and they give only 1 day per month for this course. Actually, for me, it was the most difficult step because I'm a very busy person, and they give opportunity to book only day for the current month. So they don't give opportunity even to look at the days in advance for like future months. Once you took infection control training and did pass the test, the biggest part of your license is done. How to obtain tattoo license from Health Department in New York City? You need to start application process on the website, which you see on the screen. You apply online or in person. I will walk you through online process. In person just takes a little bit longer. Social security number or individual taxpayer identification number is needed to apply. So if you don't have one of those, just make sure to get them first. After you clicked apply on www.nyc.gov, you will be redirected on Department of Health website. You need to agree with terms and conditions, of course, and then search for the license you want to apply. In search field, just put tattoo and press search. Choose tattoo license 2 years and press continue. Enter your business address where you are going to practice, and then press the button validate address and then press continue. Enter your contact information in the fields on the next page, and then download all required documents: social security number, identification, infection control course certificate, and proof of authority to act. Submit payment $100 and wait your tattoo license to come by mail. It will be valid for 2 years. You can renew license online as well. Now you can legally practice microblading and permanent makeup in New York City. In addition to the tattoo license, you should have certificate of completion from microblading or permanent makeup training, not certificate of attendance. Our school is the one which is recognized by the most of states and insurance companies. So if you are looking for training for microblading or permanent makeup training, we give classes in Manhattan. So we will be happy to see you. And thank you very much for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new tutorials and license information. Follow us in social media, microbladingSchool.Art, and feel free to ask any questions by text 347-479-7565. Even if you are not my student, I still will respond to you because I want you to provide the best quality procedures for your clients.